Silver traded bullish for the week, forming a flat base here. We have seen it rising strong and we have seen it hitting 3150 levels here. Now, can we expect this bullish momentum to continue as it has formed a good base? It is also forming a reversal. Can we expect it to break out beyond $32 levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. There are a couple of key events in the coming week. Chairman Powell's testimony, that is the Federal Bank's chairman, that is going to bring volatility, and then the inflation data coming in from US, that is going to be another key event which will add lot much to the volatility. How to profit with that, what to expect, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates, twice a day updates on silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first we'll look into charts and followed with indicators, and towards the end, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy watch. Now, see, if you look at the 4-hour chart, see lower lows were seen there, and now higher highs are seen here. So this is certainly an expanding triangle. If you look at the recent formation here, you will find this is how silver has been trading, and it has almost seen the highs of this channel. The lows of channel are now placed at around 3050 levels, which is going to be a very good support here for silver on the down. And at any point of time, if silver is seen trading below 30, you can say that it has turned bearish and a sharp crash can be seen. Now, if you look at the formation here, what has been seen with the data yesterday, we have seen a swing here. It has hit the highs and also is closed with a little retracement. So if you see it is staying below 31, we can again take a sell entry in the coming week. We can expect it to move towards 29, 30, 75, 30, 50 levels. And once it drops below 30, 50, we can say that silver is turning bearish here. With this, see 30, 50, 30, 40 is going to be one key support zone for the coming week, below which certainly more bearish momentum may be seen. Right now, it is turning bullish. Right now, it is trading bullish, looking upwards. Coming to look at the daily charts, what has happened here, I have been sharing this. See, a nice flag formation is seen and then this breakout. So this breakout may continue. What has happened here, the rise, the flag formation, and then this breakout. So this could lead to a further bullish momentum here in the coming week, because any breakout out of this flag is a good sign for. However, it is still trading in the overbought zone. So the, and thus we need to be cautious here, because on a weekly chart certainly it is staying overbought, and thus $32 levels are something which is going to play an important role in the coming week. If the prices breaks beyond 32, remember we are looking for higher prices which can in fact take it towards 34 and 35 levels as well. $32 levels are going to play a very important role for silver in the coming week. Look at the weekly. If you look at the weekly chart, see, very simple, forming this bullish channel, rise retracement, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement, and now again trying to bounce back. Also, it has formed a very good support here. Thus, once it breaks out beyond $32 levels, we can expect it to continue with further rise. Just be watchful of the double top levels here, because this is again going to be one key event. Breaking past the double tops, it is not going to come. Also, see what it is seen here, the highs here at 3150, which is also going to be the first milestone. Beyond 3150, just stay bullish in silver. But I will again say, what I see here, that it is a breakout and this is the first bullish candle. Thus coming week is going to be important, because silver is still trading in the overbought zone here slightly. Coming to the month. Now look at monthly charts. What it has done, it has almost hit the double top levels here from the last month. What it has seen last month was close to 3150, 3160 as the highs, and it has hit the highs here. So now, and see, the month has just started. So the possibility for the price is to contain itself within this zone exists. And in fact, what we had seen last month is a red candle. So a complete reversal also cannot be denied. Now see the movement in silver, the first rise, then the retracement, then the this was the first rise. We have seen it trading sideways, and now it is trading in this bullish channel, and it is almost hitting the highs of it. Where are the lows of this? At around $25. Now also one must notice, we have seen three extremely strong breakout candles, and previous candle was of consolidation. So the chances of reversal and a retracement exist, where prices might retrace for a couple of months before bouncing back again. And that is why I say, as long as now $32 are not taken, we have to be careful and watchful here with the prices in silver. In fact, the double top levels is something we should be watchful of. Let's have a look at the indicator. If you also look at the indicator, see the prices are still outside Bollinger Bands, and it is exerting pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand. But what has happened? See, if you look at whenever it is traded outside Bollinger Bands, it has got a pull on the downside. So this is also important. The moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish, looking upwards. The stochastic is looking at the rise and it is still trading bullish. Look at the MACD has crossed over. It is trading with divergence. This is also a good bullish sign here for silver, and the RSI is rising. So on the monthly charts, it is suggests that there is still further scope. But if you look at the weekly charts, see moving averages are certainly trading bullish here. Also, the bottom of this channel is providing it a very good support. And yes, now the what has happened? It was trading with divergence here. It has come towards 20 period moving average. It has consolidated here at the bottom and now taking the support, trying to bounce back. So this is a good sign for the bulls. Only thing is we have to wait for the second bullish candle here. Stochastic has dropped and it is trying to rise. Now coming to MACD. Now this is one interesting observation here on MACD. If you look at the MACD, what it has done, rise, retracement, rise. It has converged and it is again looking forward to diverge. Now this was the time post COVID. Look at the highs which silver has seen. For example, now it has started to diverge, and if it continues to trade bullish from here and hit the highs here, you can imagine what is going to be the price of silver if it continues to stay bullish and break out from the current levels, which means 35 $36 levels, in fact higher prices. Yes, if it continues to trade beyond the highs which we had seen in the recent times, that is 32 32.4, certainly silver is not going to come back. RSI is rising here. Coming to on the daily charts, prices converged here, now diverging and staying bullish, looking upwards. So far, the signs here are for the bulls. The stochastic is entering into overbought zone. Look at the MACD, which is also crossed over at the bottom. This is trading with divergence. This is looking upwards, and this is still staying bullish. The RSI is rising as well. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a good sign for the bulls here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and see in the coming week. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel and the channel memberships here on YouTube. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, the broker which offers you a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 31.35 levels. Expect it to get resistance at around 31.50 levels, which we had seen already. A very good resistance at 31.50-60 zone. If it stays beyond this, I will be looking forward to $32 levels as the next milestone. Beyond 32, stay bullish for 32.40. And if 32.40 is taken, in fact, we will look forward to 32.80 levels as the next target, and then 3300.05 is the nearest resistance. Beyond this is also possible, where the prices may hit towards 33.30 levels as the next resistance zone. After this, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, where to sell? Now see, a swing cannot be denied here. Only selling entries below 31, where you could expect it to move towards 30.75 levels, and then 30.50, 30.40 levels will come into picture. Now if silver breaks below this, then you can say that the bears are back in action, and then we can look forward to 30.20, $30, and then it is going to move towards 29.50 and $29 levels very soon. Now this is going to be one key level on the downside, and this is going to be one key level on the upside. These levels you should mark out for very key, very important levels these are. And as long as prices stays between this zone, it is neither bullish nor bearish. So in between these levels, you have to be trading with caution. Take your positions accordingly, and do not miss to watch the twice a day updates and targets which I share for silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships and join the signals channel. Connect with me over email or Telegram for any of your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead, and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.